Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new feature on WhatsApp for PC, how to enable replacing text with emojis. This update makes your chats more expressive and fun, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, launch the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the Microsoft Store or the official website. Once it's open, you'll see your familiar chat interface. Next, look to the left side of the screen. There's a menu with various options. Click on Settings, which is typically represented by a gear icon. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your app experience. Once in Settings, navigate to the General section. This is where you'll find several options related to how WhatsApp functions on your computer. Now, scroll down or locate the option labeled Replace Text with Emojis. By default, this feature might be disabled. To turn it on, simply click or toggle the switch next to it. Once enabled, WhatsApp will automatically replace certain text inputs with corresponding emojis as you type. And that's it. You've successfully activated the feature. From now on, typing specific words or shortcuts will instantly convert them into emojis, adding a creative touch to your conversations. This feature is perfect for casual chats with friends and family. But remember, you can always disable it if needed for more formal communication. Enjoy exploring this fun addition and make your messages stand out. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to share this tip with others who might love adding a bit of emoji magic to their WhatsApp chats.